A recent Forbes article revealed that the fastest growing group of entrepreneurs aren't fresh college grads or startup founders. They're 9-to-5 professionals turning their day jobs into high-paying side hustles. You don't need to learn something new. You just need to repackage what you already know and sell it in a smarter way. If you've ever organized systems, led projects, created content, managed teams, or know HR processes, you already have monetizable skills. You just haven't packaged them yet. Here's how to turn your job into a money-making side hustle. 1. Identify your highest leverage skill. Not all skills pay equally. Start by pinpointing what's in demand, using freelance platforms, Google Trends, or industry reports. Look at your current strengths and ask, which of these solve real business problems today? Chances are, you're sitting on gold. 2. Create an irresistible offer package that skill into a specific outcome-based offer. Example, don't just say social media management. Say, I'll create, schedule, and manage 10 multimedia posts over 7 days for wellness brands. 3. Pick the right business model. Side hustles shouldn't drain you. Instead of one-on-one freelancing, consider scalable models. Sell digital templates, run workshops or training, offer a retainer package with predictable income. With just one client, you can hit your first $1,000 a month. 4. Use AI to boost profit per hour. AI isn't about replacing you. It's about amplifying you. Use it to create faster proposals, templates, reports, and content. The faster you deliver results, the more you earn per hour. You don't need to be a tech genius or reinvent the wheel. You just need to reapply your current skills to the right audience who's willing to pay you what you're truly worth. Subscribe for more.